Welcome to Clever Sibrar here. Today I am going to show you 10,000 plus n8n workflow which help you to use in your n8n task, and it is completely free whether you are automating your business content creation or personal productivity. These repo having everything you need. Get access to an ultimate GitHub repository with over 10,000 plus n8n workflow automation template that you can instantly start using in just a single click. This guide will be quick, clean and ready for use. DevOps in Action channel is dedicated to DevOps and AI in easy way. You always found complexity and simplicity here. Each video guide is available in video's description. Here will be only action as channel name is DevOps in Action. So let's jump to live without any delay. I already deployed n8n. So if you not deployed, then follow my this videos deploy n8n in 2 minutes. I follow the Docker base. So basically I am working with the Docker. So once you deploy here and do the login, this is not my actual use. This is just for demo purpose. I hosted it for to record my videos for YouTube. Okay, this is not my actual n8n. And yeah, let me show you one by one, right? So by default n8n official workflow have, but the limitation is they have 7,868, but not all the free, right? Some are pairs. So let's open the another one. That one is the one GitHub user provider, who is the I think J619. Okay, so here once you go here, you can see 50.6k star available here, and they have added here 4,343 production ready workflow. Also the installation steps is very easy. You need to just clone your terminal, clone this GitHub repo on your terminal. Let me show how we can use it in my environment. I just copied it. I'm going to my path, and after that I need to paste here, clone it, and cd workflow. Once clone done, just go inside the directory, and after that build the Docker image. If you are not following Docker, then you can just install requirement and run application, and your application will be available on 8000 port. Make sure Python 3 must be available in your system, right? It's built done. So let's start the application. Once you start the application, you can see it is starting on the 8000 port. So open your 8000 port. Let's say this is my 8000 port. Here you can see all information related to this workflow, and let's see any of them. Click on any of them based on your requirement. So you can download, you can copy JSON, edit with AI. So once you download it, let's say this is the downloaded, right? So go in the your n8n and create workflow. On here you need to click on the 3 dot and import from file or import from URL. Either you can import from file, either you can import from URL. Both works fine, right? Once you import it, and after that you need to configure these things, right? So this is the first one, first GitHub URL, which have multiple things, right? Multiple let's say workflow. And second, let me open the second one. So once you click on the second one, so second one is the again another user. You can see here 18.5k stars available and 5.3k fork, right? They also added multiple workflow here, and all workflow here categorized in template list. Gmail and email automation if you looking for, Telegram, and similar these guys also added here in the workflow. Once you expand the workflow, you can see multiple workflow available here, right? so you can find out any things which you required here. Also they added information related to the architecture. Let's say here you can see 4343 workflow available here, organizing for integration, docs available here, all the things on information available here. Okay, so it is very simple thing. And the third one is, let me open it for you, and all the URL you are able to get in my videos description, so no worry about that. Okay, so here they added 200 plus ready to import n8n workflow, right? So n8n workflow simple JSON file is workflow file, readme also added there. And they also provided the how you can import, setting import workflow, select any JSON, and you can just save your credential, database, everything you need to configure and save it, right? So these three main Docker Hub repo is for you, and they have almost 10,000 plus workflow adding, including these three, right? So that's it for this part. And if you have any question, ask me in comment. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead. See you in the next video.